The secret is out to those super tender and juicy baby back ribs. I tell you right now, this ranks at the top of some of the best ribs I've done so far. I need you to check out the video coming up, y'all, and see how to get it done. Let's get into it. We're getting our marinade together. What we gonna do? It's summertime officially, so we about to do some baby back ribs. Baby back ribs. I want my baby back. All right, so what we doing is, it's gonna be super simple, y'all. Let's let them, let's show them what we got, baby. All right, it's gonna be real simple. So I'm doing roughly about 6 ounces of just plain old vinegar. Now I'm gonna cut it a little bit with that water, that H2O. We're gonna go ahead and throw some lime up in there. As y'all see, I've been getting better, y'all. I've been having my ingredients laid out on you. Some lime or lemon. Oh, well, y'all see them. Y'all saw the garlic cloves going up in there. What we got here, baby?
Salt.
2 tablespoons of diamond crystal kosher salt. 1 teaspoon of the black pepper. Pardon me. Could you pass the Dijon mustard? A tablespoon's worth, please.
Some Parmesan cheese.
Some Parmesan cheese. You know, as much as you want. We're going to call that a tablespoon. And then
Oil.
a little oil. Let's just call that, a little oil. Boom. Boom. You ain't got to go to the store and buy no salad dressing. Oh, there you go right there. All right, let me get my ribs and let's get ready to get this show on the road. It's pretty decent, ain't it, baby? Wrap this up like that and toss it in the garbage. All right, let's get these dried off. I like them. They look nice and meaty. Gotta fix them up a little bit. You know that look trifling right there. Looks like on this one here, we got some membrane hanging out for us already to kind of give us a guide. So it's usually not that easy. It's about the easiest one
Ever.
I never took off, so trust me, I'm no membrane expert. This one, number 2, I'm gonna come right here.
Wow.
I'm telling y'all,
That never happened.
it's never this easy for me.
Wow.
Yep. As you see, I ain't have to use no spoon, no paper towel, none of that stuff. Oh well. Got lucky. Right here. Take that off. Yep, real snack. I'll use it for some beans. Let's get that. It's pretty much what you get at Chili's and stuff like that. Be about that size. So when y'all go to the restaurants, y'all, when they say they're gonna give you a rack, this is what they giving you. This is what a rack gonna be at the restaurant. It's not gonna be what you see in the store. It's gonna be like this. 9 bones. Yeah, see all that hanging off, y'all? That ain't gonna do nothing for us. On a severe curve. This, the only thing we gonna do to them. Just like that. We ain't trimmed them enough. So It said this bag here is 2.5 gallon bag. Whoa, y'all, it's taking these ribs in. Taking these ribs in like a champ. Ooh, that marinade do smell good. All right, that's it, y'all. We going in with this since it's, got heavy vinegar base, 12 hours, just overnight, because we getting up super early in the morning. All right, so I'm going to see y'all in the morning outside and enjoy this weather. Let's fire this up. Good morning, y'all. It's time to get started. Got the Kingsman's Pro Charcoal. Let's go ahead and load her up. We're getting down to the end here. All right, that's about enough right there. We're going with the Darryl Firestart cubes here. These are so cool. Only thing you gotta do is just take it out the box, light that bad boy up, and we on to the races. All right, my wood for the day, I got 2 pieces of apple wood and a piece of hickory. A blend. All right, let's get it going. We're rocking with the water pan today. I'm just putting about a gallon of water up in here. It's gonna give me the little steam we need up in here. All right, y'all, it's that time. And I'm just taking them straight out. See how they look? Like that. Now let's get these situated on here, because I want them to be meaty. I want that meat to be like that, nice and thick. So it should hold some moisture. And I'm gonna play it by ear to see if I'm gonna wrap or not. I'm just gonna go ahead and let it go for a straight 2 hours. Let it do its thing, baby. It's summertime. We out here smoking. All right, let's get to it, y'all. 250 degrees is what we're gonna be rocking at. We may go up to 275. Check out the rabbit. After 2 hours, it's still maintaining that 250 degrees. Let's take a look-see. Oh, we got that steam from the water in the pan up in there. All right. Uh-oh, see it's starting to dry out on the ends right there. So we're going to take care of that with some spritz. Just water and vinegar, y'all. Just water and vinegar. All right, we'll probably do another spritz, maybe 30 minutes or an hour. Play it by ear or sight. We're going to take it for another hour. So I want the color to develop a little more, so we're going to be on here unwrapped at least for 3 hours. And then we decide from there if we're going to wrap or not, or let it go just bare, no wrap. All right, see you back in 1 hour. So we had 2.5 hours, y'all. Let's check it out and give it a spritz real quick before we take it off at the 3 hour mark. It's starting to get that color I want now. All right, half an hour. All right, 3 hour mark, y'all. See how we looking. Let's do a little temperature check. All right, about 150, 160 on this one. Well, we got the color we want, so we can go ahead and get our wrap on. All right, we got the heavy duty foil today. Let's get some butter. It's about a tablespoon and a half, maybe. Got a little maple syrup. So now, let's go ahead and wrap. Let's get it back on the smoker. Let them hang out. We're gonna get this about an hour, maybe an hour and a half. But we just gonna play it by feel and temperature. So hopefully we get up to about 195, 200 degrees within this hour. We're gonna check back and see. Now I'm gonna raise this back up to 275 degrees so we can get it done a little faster. All right, so I've been out here 3 hours already, so 4 hours is cool enough for me for some baby backs. All right, I'll see y'all back in an hour. Still holding steady. 1 hour wrapped. Let's see how we looking. Oh yeah, it's ready to come off. They're gonna be probably fall off the bone. See you good folks inside. Oh boy, the time has come. Ooh, let's get these bad boys sliced. I like the way they slicing so far. Sliced and diced. Yeah, these gonna be fall off the bone here. All right, let's get ready to taste and see what we got. Which one should I go for, y'all? Then I'm gonna go ahead and go for that bad boy there. All right, let's see what we got. Mm. And that's just plain, y'all. Man, these are good. Mm-hmm. We got it with the sauce now. Oh my God. I ain't mad at that at all. Check this out, my good people. Y'all got to do that recipe. And it's so simple and easy. 3 hours unwrapped, 250 degrees. 1 hour wrap, 275 degrees. Y'all saw how it was with just making the vinaigrette oil right there. Super easy. That's what they use with salad dressings. Well, with yours is no added preservatives. I'm about to eat this whole rack up by myself. I got the lady, she got her own rack. Cook at least two or three. All right, y'all. I'm going to catch y'all on the next one. Enjoy the summer, baby. Peace.